and welcome. In this training video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Fiverr account. In this case, I'll be using a background remover as a case study, since that was one of the things we handled during our class. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to look at people who really have a record in that field, like who have done a lot of background like this. All these people like this have done up to 1,000 plus in that particular sector. So you are going to use the approval as a sample. So I will start. I have one here. I've really done well. You can see this one now. He has done over 5,756 order. He has completed. Then he has 6 order includes, and this one is selling. He's doing 15 image background remover for $5. So I will use his approval as a case study. That's why now when you are creating your gig, this is what you same thing you do. You go through when you sweep. You first of all make sure you sweep to selling, not buying. Sweep to selling. Then you will see other people who are doing well. They use their approval. Check how they are doing their own. From there, you can now use how they set up their profile to set up your own. That is the easiest way of doing it. So in this case, I'll go through this person's gig now. I already explained what gig is. Then this now, you see how he wrote his own profile. You see what he wrote about the gig. You can see the information here. So once you go through it, you get the idea. Just write your own the same thing. Just copy here and edit. That's normal thing. You can see how you do everything. Then when you now go through his own profile, this one now, this is how your own tool will appear to people who want to buy. Once they click on your gig, which is that your service, they will see your picture first. Once they close down, they will see what you wrote about that particular service, which is here. What you can see all you wrote about is on here. I don't have time to read all that. You can now see under here will be your profile. That's how I first start with your profile. What you set on your profile. Okay, let's go for example now. You can see what do you have here now is what we go. Let me go to profile so you can see. Here is his profile page. That's what you have in that place. A particular what he has here. You can see here is his bar, his short bar, photo background remover with touch residing. So whatever you put here will be showing on your service you are rendering on this platform. So be very careful what you type here. What you type is to be something that related to your, as I taught you in the class, if you want something related to your service you are rendering. You can see what you wrote here. You can see here he has been a member since 2017. So you don't just do it overnight. So it takes just a matter of time. You can see what how you describe his profile. Hello, greeting, my pleasure to have you present on my profile. You can see all this thing. You can just go through many people on. You can see his English language. They have linked to some of his accounts. You have got a link of Facebook, your mobile account, any of account. Then you can see here he put the skills that he has. Photoshop. You can put any skills you want. Just go through other people, then choose. He put educational qualification. I think that is how they put for. But here now you can see here these are the service he rendered here. But from a look of things here, is this one is the most selling one that I have sold most. Is the background movie. I said 1,000. I said in thousands, over 5,000 plus. But also just 300 and something, 16, 27, 4. Meaning this is main service that is selling well on this profile. Let me check on another person profile so that I can still see the same thing. This is another gig now. You can see it here now. This one, according to this one, he did 20 image for $5. He has 2 other include. He has sold over 2,647. Then you can see how he wrote his own profile. He said about the gig. Quick remove image background from photo, blah blah. They now wrote all these things. So you can always go through to from there, grab and drag out your own and type your own from what you get through their own. Then what this unlimited review means, because I can see it, I not about that. I remember I don't talk about it. Review means that now, okay, if you deliver this work now, this person say it's not satisfied, maybe some of the image removed, you mean that you will do it over again until it's satisfied. That's what it means here now. You can remove it until you say it's okay with it. That's what unlimited remain. So if you can choose one, you can choose 2, meaning that you do it that number of time. So you continue. You can see his proof here now. Show his proof. What he says that his proof his country. This one too has been members since 2017. So not just a new member on the platform. Where is from? You can see we read. Just write this one. I like this one. This one just very short and straight. Hi everyone. I'm a professional graphic designer. I know every trick in Photoshop editing. So if you need any Photoshop work, please contact me before ordering. You see this one very short. Let me go to his main profile. I see his member. This is bar professional cutout or background remover for Amazon products. You can see he wrote he has member of 2017 November, his country, You can see it's proof. Very, I like this one. This one is very short and brief. Anybody can go and just read it at a short time. Then he has linked two of his accounts, Google and Facebook. The skill, just put two. Just put two. Just two skill. Then his education, just put in the grade of a university. Bro. You can see his gig. He have just 2 gig here. One is background mover. Just straightly on background mover. I would remove background of advanced just straightly just have these two and make all the rendering. See from here you can see, and from here that's all just the trick. When you want to set up your profile, make sure you look for how others are doing their own. And if you can't do it on this, when you are setting up your profile, make sure you just check on others who are doing well in the field. Check how they set up their own